inside the Niger Delta.
No fewer than 1,100 Nigerian women have been trained in diverse vocations under an economic empowerment program facilitated by the Elizabeth Jack Rich Aid Foundation in collaboration with the NNPC Belema Joint Venture and Belema Aid Foundation. Facilitator of the program, Dr. Elizabeth Jack Rich, says it was conceived to provide women with lifelong skills and reduce widespread poverty in the country. Correspondent Lovely Ofigo has details.
The ongoing economic empowerment program for women has beneficiaries drawn from Abuja and the 23 local government areas of Rivers State. It is a 2-week intensive training in diverse vocations and crafts designed to create livelihoods for unemployed women who will at the end of the exercise receive financial grants to start their own businesses.
I want to be my own self. I want to make name from this foundation. I want to make name out of it.
Because I enrolled for the hairdressing salon, and I believe when I put in my best in it and learn why I came here, I believe I will go higher.
The ongoing economic empowerment program for women, courtesy of the Elizabeth Jack Rich Aid Foundation, is in furtherance of the Sustainable Development Goals that seek to reduce gender-based inequality and provide decent work and economic growth across the globe by 2030.
We are happy for Mrs. Stein Jack Rich. As she has empowered the women, she has empowered the nation. I like what she's doing. She's empowering a lot of ladies, and I hope to be like her one day.
Dr. Elizabeth Jack Rich, initiator of the Economic Empowerment Program, says it was conceived in recognition of the fact that women are the worst victims of poverty on the African continent. She advises beneficiaries to seize a lifetime opportunity to become economically self-reliant.
We all know that when you empower a woman, you've empowered a family, you empower a nation, you empower a community and the world at large. My advice to the beneficiaries will be for them to focus in their trainings, and when they get empowered, they should establish themselves in the right way and also use their platform to empower other women out there.
We are committed to provide the level of skills education, not only for women, but also for men in the near future. And this will definitely result in benefit for the whole nation.
More women are expected to benefit from the Economic Empowerment Program in subsequent phases of its implementation.
Inside the Niger Delta.